Welcome to the Denver Disease Intervention Training Center's video on how to register for courses through the National Network of Disease Intervention Training Centers NNDITC Learning Management System, or LMS. These courses are specifically designed with the disease intervention professional in mind.
In this short video, we will demonstrate how to navigate the learning management system to view the catalog and enroll in any course. You can also utilize the LMS to find valuable resources to support your work as a disease intervention professional.
The NNDITC landing page can be found at nationalditc.org. You'll be able to begin by going to the training section and clicking Go. By scrolling through this page, you're provided with brief course descriptions. To enroll in any specific course, simply click Login, and this will prompt a redirection to the LMS at this site by clicking OK. This will be the landing page for logging in or creating your free account.
If you are a new user, you will need to create a free account by clicking Create Free Account and following the simple prompts that the system will walk you through for creating your account. Remember, this is your private account, and the information should not be shared with others on your team. If you are a returning user, sign in with your username and password. Once you are logged on, you will be viewing the National Network of Disease Intervention Training Centers main page. You can review and access various resources, as well as enroll into any of our courses.
You'll see the most recent courses at a glance. You also will have the option of using filters to streamline your search. To enroll into one or more courses, you'll see this page. Choose the desired course that you'd like to enroll in by clicking Enroll Here. You'll notice a green pop-up confirming your request for enrollment. You'll receive an automatic email to the email address on file.
To select a specific course date, you will need to agree to the terms of agreement by clicking Start. Please review the terms of agreement, scroll down, and click I agree. Choose your desired course date by clicking Choose Session. You will observe the calendar dates, click your desired date, then click Enroll. A green pop-up will appear confirming your enrollment. You can also add to calendar, change your session date, or if necessary, unenroll. It does take a few moments for the confirmation email to arrive. The confirmation email will contain the Zoom link, along with a few housekeeping items, including how to best prepare for that particular course. Also, regional contacts if you have any additional questions or concerns.
The Learning Management System offers many other courses through a variety of training centers that lend to skill building and networking. At your leisure, explore all of these offerings.
We hope this short video provides you the necessary tools to enroll in any of our courses. Our training team looks forward to seeing you soon.